I chose Peking University to really improve my Mandarin and to study Mandarin more intensively, and Peking University seemed like a natural choice.
I also wanted to experience something different by the European culture. I was really interested in the Eastern community, in the Eastern culture.
我老师们说，北大是中国最好的大学，所以从小我希望来到这里学习地道的汉语。
我选择北京大学，因为这里是中国第一名的学校。
The university is massive. I was quite surprised to see that you could almost live in the university and not have to leave the campus. The buildings are beautiful. The lake is beautiful. On my first morning here, I took a bike, rented the bike and just cycled around it. It was super beautiful to see.
I arrived at the end of February, as it was quite cold when I first arrived, but so far I've had a wonderful first introduction. I've met many students. All of them seem very hardworking.
Everything works perfectly. Every service is good, and I'm really enjoying my staying, enjoying the people here.
第一个印象觉得北大的学生和老师都好热情，在北大觉得有很好的学习的环境。
During my semester here at Peking University, I really want to focus on my Mandarin and study Chinese full-time.
What I want to do at Peking University is just really develop my Chinese. Chinese is my major in New Zealand, and I just really want to take this opportunity to really push it to that advanced level. There's no better place to do that than in China.
My plan is, of course, to study here, enrich my culture with the other students, and also I would like to travel around China and the nearby countries.
希望在这里学习更多中国文化，也提高我的中文能力。